Pull up, pull up, pull up, man. Let everybody know we are live. We got the bull market coming in. Let everybody know we are live. Let your people know we are live on the DecemberDeMarco YouTube channel. Let everybody know we live. Let everybody know we live, y'all. I'm about to drop a couple links. Hit that like button on y'all way in ASAP. Hit the like button. Let everybody know we are live on the DecemberDeMarco YouTube channel, man. Shout out to all those that already pulled up, man. Salute to my notification squad. We just gonna give it a couple minutes. Let everybody get in here. Got to get the link out on Twitter real quick. Okay, man, salute. Shout out to everybody for pulling up to the stream. Hopefully you got those notifications on and that's how you pulled up to the stream. If not, and you checking this out later, man, salute to you. But get those notifications on. Make sure you got them on. Let's see, man. The market is absolutely on fire right now. I'm excited. You should be excited. You should be seeing those gains in your portfolio. You know, it's looking real nice for us right now. Those of us who stayed down for the come up, like I told y'all, it's paying off. It's paying off nicely. We're seeing Bitcoin, you know, about to go back to all-time highs. Think about it. The last live stream we did, I just talked to y'all about Bitcoin going to 58,000. Somebody drop in the chat. Let them know. Did we not just talk about this? I did say I expected it at the max amount of time to take 2 weeks, and it happened in like 2 days. So this is super bullish, y'all. I'm super excited. Congratulations to those that did not get shaken out, man. Y'all made it through the hard part. Hear me loud and clear. You made it through the hard part, y'all. So let's see. Pull up. We live on YouTube. Talking about the blazing crypto market. And you know we got to drop that rocket on there. Drop us some hashtags. Pepe going crazy right now. Let me know, what projects are y'all looking at right now? This live stream pretty chill, y'all. I want to, you know, look at the market, but also look at some new plays that are popping off. Right now is the time to be checking out everything, doing your due diligence on everything that you can. You want to be on top of everything. You know how a lot of people came into the market at a perfect time, you know, before the last bull run, and they ended up making a lot of money without doing, you know, a lot of the heavy lifting and being around the block. This is that time again, I believe. The people who are entering and securing their positions now, obviously the ones who already secured their bags, they're gonna eat a whole nother level different from everybody else. But they did not, but the people that are just stepping in now didn't have to go through, being underwater for 2.5 years, until we're at this point where we are right now. So let me see, we almost got this out. Drop some of y'all favorite projects that y'all are checking out right now in the chat. One of them we will be checking out on the live stream, but I need a few recommendations. The ones that I see with the most recommendations we'll be checking out. Okay, hey, I need everybody to go over to Twitter, X, whatever you want to call it, at DecemberDeMarco. Make sure y'all follow me if you aren't following me already, but go and like that last post. Go and like and retweet my last post, getting the live stream out, letting everybody know that we are live, y'all. So, man, we did it, man. We did it. You should be seeing your portfolio looking nice and chunky right now if you've been listening to me throughout the bear market. Let me know how many people in the chat have been following what I've been trying to share with y'all. Drop in the chat, let me know. I want to say, so, hold on, wait. Stop everything. Hold on, stop everything. I almost forgot. What's good, future millionaires? We back with another banger, man. Y'all already know who it is, but for those who don't, I'm DecemberDeMarco, Fortune 500 marketer, here to share my insights of the market with y'all to hopefully help y'all become better informed investors. Salute to y'all for pulling up on the channel. Make sure you hit that thumbs up like button for the YouTube algorithm, and do not forget to subscribe, man. So we back like we never left. Let's see. Shout out to everybody in the stream already. Let's see who we got in the building. Also, just so y'all see, our book of the day is Cash Flow Quadrant by Robert Kiyosaki. Let's see, man. Let's see. Who the first one pulled up on us, man? Big salute to BCR in the building, man. Dropping that 100 emoji on us. Big salute to Juan Del Real, a channel member holding it down on the front lines. Big salute to Crypto Be Well. Appreciate you pulling up on us, bro. Hey, I got to give a double salute to my boy PD, man. Says salute, broski. Shout out to Anthony Pena, man. Salute to you, bro. Appreciate you pulling up on us. Anthony D in the building, man. Salute to him. Hit the like button. Drop a comment in the chat. Let me know you rocking with me, man. Are you a part of my chat army, man? Salute to everybody pulling up, dropping a comment right now. Make sure y'all hit that like button. Shout out to, bro, I ain't gonna lie. I'm gonna try to say this. If I say it wrong, don't be mad at me. Baba Jide Shodin. Salute to Baba Jide, man. Said, DDM, what is going on with VIT, please? So we just did a Vegas Inu token update video about what, like 2 days ago, talked about a lot of the things we got going on with VIT. We got a $5,000 burn coming up once we reach that 7,000 points per coin level. So that's going to be major. We're going to be removing approximately 10 billion Vegas Inu tokens out of the circulating supply around this price level, give or take a little bit, but it's around that level. So that's one thing we're working on. We have a game. Just go watch the last video and you'll be able to get caught up on everything exactly. But I'll say, we got the game being worked on. We got our lending DApp being worked on. We got a lot of things, man. Our NFT collection being worked on, and that NFT collection is going to be absolutely fire. We already got some utilities attached to it that's going to be, really, really beneficial, and important when it comes to helping my community make more money, man. So I'm glad about that part right there. And we got some other things as well, but I highly recommend you check out the full Vegas Inu token live stream that we did, so that way you can get all the information, every single thing that we have going on with the VIT community. I just got my setup together and my book of the day showing out already. I tried to have it all nice and set up for y'all. This is crazy. We can't do nothing nice over here. We can't do nothing nice. Let me see. Did my little stand break? Okay, I gotta grab another one, y'all. I gotta grab another one so we can get the book of the day up, man. We can't go like that. Hold on, y'all. We we gonna have to get up for this one. We gonna have to get up for this one, y'all. Okay, let's see. Can we get this right, man? Dang. All right, let's see. Why did it just fall on me? Is the book of the day too heavy or something, man? Okay, we up. It wanted me to get up, man, so we up. I gotta say salute, big shout out to everybody for rocking with me, pulling up in the stream, man. This is going to be an exciting bull run coming up, man. Let's see. Shout out to Sabbath. Said, yo, DecemberDeMarco. Salute. PD Pierce said, Telegram done. Facebook done. And X share. Salute, man. That's why I rock with PD so tough, man, because he really goes above and beyond to try to, just support everything we got going on over here. And it pays off when you do that. The more support you show to the channel, usually those people are the ones who I see that are some of my highest earning students, supporters and people that rock with me, man. So I got to say big shout out to y'all, man. Let's see who else we got. Anthony says, what's going on? We are seeing some retracement. Yes, there is some retracement. There's, always going to be retracement. Things can't just continue to go straight up and up and up and up. It has to go up, then pull back. So that way it can breathe. It has to inhale, exhale. That's how a healthy chart forms. If it's just shooting up, and shooting up, the higher it shoots up, the further it crashes down, the harder it's going to be to continue that upwards trend. So we wanted to keep an uptrend. We wanted to go up and retrace, but keep that uptrend. Basically like a staircase. Shout out to PD says TokenFi. Okay. TokenFi, Crypto Be Well says alt control. PD says energy token. K Home dropped that fire emoji. PD says NCOR token. Andy D says XLM, Jasmine, Doge Killer, Chrono, Pepe. Let's see. What you think about Crow Coin so far? Hope everything is well, brother. Man, salute. Shout out to, who is that? Slick 83. Man, salute. Appreciate you. All is well, bro. I'm excited about this bull market that we're approaching. And, those bags are looking nice right now, man. So, we can't complain. But Crow, that's another one of those blue chips. It has solid utility. It has a big community around it already. So, yes, I think that one is a solid play if you're interested in looking at Crow. Now, this ain't financial advice. I can't tell you to buy, sell, or hold. Now, you showing out now. I guess I can't even bump the table a little bit. I'm going to have to get a better legit book stand. But throwing me off. So I think we're just talking about Crow and its utility. I think it's fire. It has a solid community. People will continue to use it. So that's one of the ones, I think it's basically up there with like some of those blue chips. Shout out to Baba Jide. Juan says, I got it started following you at the end of the bull run in 2021. Well, good. Hey, guess what, bro? It's about to get real. It's about to get real. How many people in the chat have not experienced their first bull run yet? Let me know. Let me get a raise of hand in the chat. How many of y'all have yet to experience your first actual bull run? I want to kind of see who's on the stream that is an OG that experienced the bull run and those that haven't. If you have experienced a bull run already, drop that you have. Like, say that, I've experienced the bull run, last bull run, something, so we can kind of get a feel for how many people here have not experienced their first bull run. This is important, especially for y'all OGs in the space, because it gives you confidence to see all the newcomers to the space as well. Remember, last time we had a major wave of people that came into the space for different reasons. It was kind of around that pandemic time. People are looking for other ways to make money. People were just not satisfied with their jobs. People didn't have jobs. There was a lot of reason for people to get in, which we don't just have that right now, but I think we have other special catalysts like the Bitcoin halving coming up, Bitcoin ETFs, people talking about Ethereum ETFs, team talking about Shiba Inu ETFs. This is a lot of these are a lot of catalysts that can attract new investors into the space. Now, last time we seen a lot of retail investors flood the space. This time, we may see a lot of institutional money flood the space on top of retail investors that step back in. So think about all the possibilities, y'all. It's absolutely crazy and exciting for the time that we are in right now. So let's see. Sabah says, do you think with Bonk and Pepe are going to keep rocketing up for a while? Y'all, I think we are very early in the bull market. I think any projects that have real communities behind them and the communities are supporting the project, the team is supporting the project, I think those projects will continue to do well, especially if they launch during the bear market and they were able to get some type of momentum going there, because a lot of those projects that did, you know, that might have did some exits during the bear market and kind of went stagnant, or, you know, just went silent for a while, people will start to jump back in these projects if they see they still have their core communities. That's why it's important, if you're somebody that's a part of, you know, a project that you believe in, to always, you know, be positive about it, to keep people, you know, excited about it, continue spreading the word about it, because that's what's going to let people know, like, hey, this community is still here. This community is still rocking with it. And you got to remember, some people look at, which I wish more people did, but a lot of people look at discounted prices as a good thing. So don't always think just because you see the price low that, you know, it's a bad thing. Really, that's a good thing for those who understand how to properly invest, because you want to be buying low, and when the time comes to sell it, you want to make sure you're selling it at a higher point. PD says, broski, is that the L shape? Is that an L shape? Yeah, this the L shape, bro. We got, you know, we got the side over here, you know. Oh, let me move my chair. We got the side over here we can get a little work done on. Got my other desk behind this one. Y'all can't see the setup, but yeah, this a new desk. We still got the original over here, you know what I'm saying? But I wanted to be able to, you know, stand up and stretch a little bit instead of sitting down all day too. So and then with this bull run coming, I know I'm gonna have to be on my feet. It's about to get exciting, y'all. It's about to get real exciting. It's really, you should already be excited, to be honest. Let's see. PD says, I just bought my son an L-shaped desk. It came in today. That's what's up, man. Great minds think alike. Humble says, what's good, high rollers? Salute to you, big bro, man. Salute to Humble, man. A real one holding it down on the front lines of the DD Nation, as well as the high roller community, man. Shout out to all my Vegas Inu token pre-sellers, all my Vegas Inu token supporters, Telegram members, Twitter followers, everybody that's rocking with us, man. And if you're new to the channel and you have not heard about Vegas Inu token yet, I highly suggest you check out the links in the description section of this video. If you like solid communities, if you like community-driven projects, if you like projects where you know the dev is not going to rug you, check out Vegas Inu token. Links in the description section of this video right now. Let's see. Humble says, PD, you see how that desk lifted up? Oh yeah, man. We got the hydraulics on the desk too, man. You see, we could drop the top. We could drop the top on them too. So yeah, this is definitely dope, man. Shout out to Humble again, voting it up on us. Juan says bad. Andy says, hey, that book heavy with knowledge or what? Hey, it's a lot of fire in this book. This is why this is the book of the day, man. I recommended this book for a reason. I'm gonna try to get books up here each day. Sometimes it might be the same book for a week or so. Might switch it up here and there. If it's something new I'm reading, I might throw it up there, or something that I previously read, or even something that I might be about to get into, giving y'all the chance to get it. That way y'all could possibly be reading it with me. So always, you know, if we got that up, check out that book of the day. It's always going to be some fire. Angry Gamer says, my boy got a choast. I don't know what a choast is. Shout out to PD, said Humble, my brother. Juan Dolph Mendoza says, you think Shiba will hit 0.001 this year? I don't know about 0.001, but I think 0.00, I think 3 zeros is possible. I definitely think 3 zeros is possible. But, you know, anything is possible in crypto. You got to remember, a lot of people, it sounds as crazy as it may sound, there was a ton of people, and I was around during this time. I was one of the, not one of the first Doge investors, but I was an OG Doge investor. And I seen, when we were talking about Doge possibly hitting 1 cent, before I understood technical analysis all the way, there were so many people that were saying Dogecoin will never hit 1 cent. Doge has an unlimited supply. Are you crazy to think it will hit 1 cent? And then guess what Doge ended up doing? It ended up hitting 1 cent. So I like to say anything is possible. You just got to stay down for the come up. Don't trick yourself out of your spot. Understand what you hold, so that way you have the confidence to hold it. And not only hold it, you have the confidence that when the price drops, to buy even more. That's how you get rich in crypto. Trying to tell you, you either got to be early, so you either got to be lucky, super early on something, or you got to have confidence. You got to have that confidence, because it's going to take you through the deep waters. And a lot of people won't come out on that other side. But if you're one of those people that had the confidence to go through the deep waters, that had the confidence when everything got really deep, you continue buying. That's going to put you at an entirely different level than the average cryptocurrency investor. Shout out to Crypto B Will, says, I caught the end. Okay. Humble says, this is my first bull run. Been in the bear for 3. Hey, Humble, get ready. Get ready. I already know Humble about to get a bag. A lot of my OGs, the people that are really, really tapped in, I know y'all about to eat so good this bull run. I'm just so excited for y'all. All I want to say is just don't forget about me when y'all, when y'all get on. Don't forget about the one who was coming on YouTube day in, day out, through the rain, through the storms, rain, sleet, or snow. We in the lab with it. Don't forget about me. All I want, you can do whatever you want, but all I want is a salute. A good looking, bro. That's all. Now, if you want to look out a little more than that, of course I ain't gonna mind that, but just don't forget about me. Shout out to the Angry Gamer. Anthony Pena says, I have not. I am excited. So take a look at this, y'all. Look at all the people that are in the chat right now that have yet to experience their first bull run. We got some OGs in the chat that already experienced it. So y'all should be really, really excited knowing what is in front of us, and the fact that we got new investors that are just now getting in. So they're going to be, look, this is one thing too you got to understand. This is why I highly recommend my technical analysis course. If you don't understand about when to buy, when to take profits, how to read the candlesticks on the chart, how to knowing which indicators do what, knowing how to use them, knowing when to use them, I highly recommend you get my technical analysis course. I'm doing something special. I think I might do this all the way up to the Bitcoin halving. I don't know, because I really just want to put my people on, so it ain't about the price. But my $2,500 technical analysis course, I'm making available for the first 5 people that emails me during this stream to lock it in for the price of only $200. So that is an extreme discount. This course is, and it's a 100% money back guarantee within 72 hours. So you got more than enough time to check it out, decide if you find it's valuable, which is super valuable. I'm talking about, I stuffed so much value inside the course, like literally, like I tried to just really knock it out the park with value when it came to that. So that way, the people that do take that initiative to get it, they're really grateful, and they feel there's no buyer's remorse there, and they just feel happy that they did take that step. Because if you're buying in crypto and you don't understand RSI, you don't understand MACD, you don't understand, Bollinger Bands, you don't understand volume, you don't understand VWAP, moving averages, you don't understand these things, you're not doing it right. How are you putting so much money into the markets, but you're not educating yourself behind where you're putting your money in? I know so many people that go through that. A lot of people did that the entire last bull run. They just kept throwing money. They got lucky a few times here and there, but overall gave it all back because they didn't understand what they were doing. And I've seen a lot of people, once we did hit those all-time high prices, a lot of people didn't lock in any gains. They seen their gains, their portfolios go from, 6 figures all the way back down to, a few $1,000s because they didn't understand how and when to take some profit. So my technical analysis course will show you how to do this properly. $2,500 technical analysis course going for $200 for the next 5 people that email me. DecemberDeMarco@gmail.com. Make sure you are payment ready. It's that serious, man. You do not want to go into this bull run with no knowledge. I'm telling you. Anthony D says there's a petition for Shiba ETF. Yes, there is. That's going to be fire. We got a ETF position for Grayscale. Let me see. Let me find this. Yo, I'm telling you right now, we get a Shiba Inu ETF. Even if they start talking about it seriously, we're going to see Shiba Inu rally hard. Already, you know, I expect Shiba Inu to rally with the rest of the market. I'm not looking at Shiba Inu. So I got two bull cases for SHIB. So I'm looking at it to rally as the rest of the market rallies. And then I'm also looking at it to rally, receiving sympathy from those OG memes like dogecoin. Shiba Inu is basically the next one in line. So we are the Ethereum basically of OG meme coins. If you ask me, Doge would be like the Bitcoin. Shiba Inu would be like the Ethereum. So I'm expecting, you know, to receive sympathy from that when that takes place. And then also, you know, just the excitement of the SHIB army, you know, or the power of the SHIB army. That's another reason why, you know, we can expect a rally. Now, those are natural. Like those are like, what is the word I'm looking for? Like, probably like inevitable. Those rallies were going to happen regardless as the market picks up. But if we get a Shiba Inu ETF rally, that is going to be something entirely different at a whole nother scale that I don't even think a lot of people are ready for. We might see Shiba Inu, like, you know, people might just be jaw dropped. People might just be jaw dropped at what levels we might see Shiba Inu go to if that does take place. And we already seen what played out with Bitcoin. So guess what? We seen people were excited about the Bitcoin news. It was one of those buy the rumor, sell the news type of situation. Talking about it, Bitcoin slowly started to rally. As we got closer and closer, Bitcoin started to pull back. And then after, as we got right up to it, Bitcoin started to pick up again. Then after it was approved, Bitcoin started to retrace. Even after Bitcoin ETFs were approved, Bitcoin's price started to drop. But guess what? That was just the paper hands or people locking in profits that had already been in since 16K. Then once it pulled back, we seen the real rally start. So that's what I'm expecting to possibly happen with Shiba Inu. Don't get scared when you see the pullback. That can be the final shake before the actual, you know, real rally kicks in. Remember, we seen Shiba Inu go like 700% in 3 days before. Shiba Inu is one of those ones that can do it. So Kawan says, this is my first crypto bull run, but have been in stock market bull run. Okay, nice. Nice. And that's another thing I highly recommend. You know, if you're in crypto or if you're in stocks, there's not just a bull market in that area. There's bull markets all over the place. Go take advantage of different bull markets. If you're in crypto, getting ready to take advantage of this bull market, guess what is heating up as well? The stock market. So also check out the stock market. That's why I have another course for that. I got my stock options trading course. If you're interested in learning how to day trade, if you're interested in seeing me day trade live, making thousands of dollars doing what I'm teaching inside of this course, cop the course. I highly recommend it. Same thing. This course is $2,500, but for the next 5 people that email me, DecemberDeMarco@gmail.com, I will be giving you this course for $200. And yes, you have a 100% money back guarantee. For whatever reason, if you don't like it, if you think it wasn't worth it, which I'm pretty sure everybody that's serious about this will find it very valuable because all my students, you know, past success and testimonies, you know, show that. But whatever the case is, you got a 100% money back guarantee just in case. So there's no risk to you. Super discounted price. Take advantage of it right now, man. This is cheaper than, you know, what a lot of people lose on speculating on certain meme coins. But with this knowledge, you'll start to lose less money because you'll know what you're doing more and more. So shout out to all those newcomers to the crypto bull market. Juan says SHIB was at 1, 2, 3, 4, 2. I DCA down to nice work, bro. Good work. I'm glad you did not get stuck at that level. This is what it's about. This is why y'all need to pay attention. And you know, when we in class, y'all got to really be taking notes because look at bro. He got in at 402, but brought his average cost all the way down to 509. If he would have left it at that level and did not continue the dollar cost average, he would still be underwater right now. Good work, bro. BCR says, I've seen all the bull runs. This will be the one. Let's go. That's what I'm talking about, man. Major salute. Big salute. I got to come up to the camera, man. Big major salute to BCR. BCR know what's going on, man. Shout out to everybody who truly understands what's going on. You can tell the people who do and the people who don't. You know, the people who do, they looking like me right now. We're excited. We understand what this leads to. We've been around the block a few times already. I'm telling you from the experience that, you know, we've seen already, This is the time to be excited. Yes, I know we say, you know, a lot that, hey, right now is a good time for this. Right now is a good time for that. And we weren't wrong during those times. Because think about it. All those times when she was at lower prices, think about when she was at 506, 507. I was telling everybody, load up, load up. This is a good opportunity to accumulate. Now look where the market is and look where we're heading. You got to do your due diligence, man. JSW227 says, I was new to trading when she was at like 9 or 11 zeros, but my money wasn't in yet. I didn't know how to get in. Bought in at 7 zeros level and went FOMO to afraid. Currently at about 300 million SHIB. So bro was in at a ridiculous, you know, nice level. He was in with, you know, back, what was that, early 2021, I think, around that time. But I ain't gonna lie, bro. You should, you know, it's not financial advice. I don't know where in the world you are. So 300 million SHIB to you might be perfectly fine. You know, honestly, I can't even say you should have more. But man, if you know, you know. If you know, you know. Clayton says check. I don't know what check what. Crypto B Well says bruh. Angry Gamer says ghost. You got a ghost. The Ugba says top 5 picks according to you. It's hard to say, man, to be honest. I'm just loving the markets right now, man. I'm loving the markets. I love all my blue chips. You know, I believe you should have different bags, you know, for different timelines. I believe you should have exposure to memes, exposure to utility projects, exposure to AI projects, exposure to gaming projects, you know, exposure to blue chips. You know, you should think like that. Because you never know which one is going to be the one. But all it takes really is, you know, 1 or 2 of them to really hit for you to be able to do your dance, man. Super Trump says, I hate the pumps and dumps. That's the name. That's the nature of the game, man. The Ugba says, are you invested in Casper? No, I don't have Casper, bro. I do not have Casper, but I do hear a lot of good things about Casper. Matter of fact, let me check out Casper. Let me see. See, I don't like to chase stuff when everybody else is talking about it. When everybody is chasing and talking about it, I like to fall back. And then once the price retraces, that's when I like to pull up. So let's see. Let's see. Casper right now at 16 cents. Let's go to trading view so we can, you know, we can see what's really going on. Okay, so yeah, Casper on fire. Casper on fire, but I don't like to chase. You know, you never chase. Never, ever chase. Let it come to you. So what you want to do is, when it comes to this, you want to mark the resistance points. Boom. And this is just a rough marking. Mark the support areas. So around this range, so this is how I like to look at projects if I'm thinking about entering them after they rally. When everybody's telling me about it, like, hey, check this out, you should be grabbing some of this. I take a note of it. I take a mental note, but I don't go chase it because that's how you psychologically end up messing yourself up. You keep seeing the price go up. You get scared. Or not scared, but you get fear of missing out. And then you end up jumping in, end up buying the top and the price retraces. So what you do is you come mark up the chart, put your resistance areas, all the points where the chart is having trouble breaking out of. You put that, boom, right there, 18 cents. Boom, right here again. What is that? Give or take 14 cents. Boom, right here again, around 12 cents. We got support right around here. Boom, at 9 cents. So if you're thinking of entering this, what I like to do is go to previous resistance levels and use it as a support. So right here, you see we have resistance here. So let's say if I did want to jump back in, if I wanted to grab some Casper, I would be looking to grab some around either 14 cents or 12 cents. Honestly, I would prefer around this 12-cent area, but sometimes it won't pull all the way back. So you got to keep that in mind also. But that's how I like to do, because now I seen how high it can go, but now I'm waiting for the pullback, and I'm going to catch a ride on the downside back up to the upside. So that way I'm in profit versus me just jumping in, buying here, and then it pulling back. Then I got to ride it all the way down till it finds support at 14 cents or 12 cents. And then eventually it continues this trend that is going on. That's the way you do it. Shout out to my boy PD coming through with the big boy 50, man. Hey, PD damn near had me eating steak all year, man. I ain't gonna lie. All year, PD damn near had me eating steak 2023, man. Shout out to PD. Shout out to everybody that, you know, supports the channel, sending in those super chats. I highly appreciate y'all support, man. So PD says steak dinner. Appreciate all you do. Can't wait for the conference. We going to party, man. Yes, I can't wait as well. We will be doing an event. I don't know when, y'all, but it will be major. We will be doing it big here in Las Vegas, man. I'm excited to meet a lot of y'all for the first time. You know, man, it's gonna be a time. It's gonna be a time, man. AV68W1 says, this is my second bull run. Didn't sell because I was green in the crypto scene, but I got my bags poised and ready. Now, look, this is a point I was talking about. Remember how I just said, if you are one of the OGs that been in the space for a while, we got some new people that are just coming in, right? Guess what? And I don't mean no harm when I say this. There's going to be a lot of gains on the table because there's going to be a lot of, like bro just said, green people that come into the space that don't understand taking profit. So they're going to just keep seeing the prices go up and up and up and up and up. And guess what? They'll never realize any of that profit until probably the next bear market comes around and we're back into the next bull market again. So those of you that are OGs, been around the block a few times, it's y'all time to shine. If you want to skip the line and having to wait for an entire bear cycle to come around again for you to learn your lesson and all that, get my courses now. Get my courses now. So that way, they say on average, it takes 2 bull cycles for a person to really make money in the crypto market or touch that first million. And I can say that's pretty much accurate. If you want to skip that line though, if you want to skip one of those bull cycles or bear cycles, excuse me, you want to skip one of those bear cycles that most people have to go through before they really learn to start making money in crypto, get the courses, man. Stock options trading course is going to teach you how to day trade. You can use these same strategies with cryptocurrencies. You know, it's specifically for options trading, but you can use the same theories and the same strategies behind it to trade crypto, day trading. So whatever you're interested in day trading, you can use these principles. Then I got my technical analysis course teaching you how to understand the data on the chart. If you don't understand the data on the chart, I'm telling you right now, you toast. You toast. If you don't understand the candlesticks, you don't understand indicators, you don't have at least some understanding of it, you are absolutely toast this bull run. Tap in, get the course, man. I also got the Crypto 101 course. Let me know. I got my book too, link in the description section. I'm gonna keep pushing it out there because it's free for me to say it. It's a small fee for y'all to grab it though, but it will pay off, you know, more than tenfold. More than tenfold. Email me right now, DecemberDeMarco@gmail.com. If you want any of my courses, they are normally $2,500. But for the next 5 people that are payment ready, I'm gonna let you get it for $200, man. I'm telling you, if you're somebody who's serious about this, don't play around. It's a 100% money back guarantee. You have nothing to worry about. Shout out to PD again. Shout out to 9E showing love. PD said this is going to be my 3rd bull run. Let's go. PD about to make a killing. PD about to, they see, we heard the statistic or the saying for 2 bull runs or bear markets, but that 3rd one is something different. Aztec says since January 1st, 2021, stay down for the come up. Shout out to DecemberDeMarco, man. Salute to Big Aztec 355 in the building, man. Appreciate you. Love Vibe says blessings, everyone. This is my 2nd bull run. Good work. So that's it. You know, it's important to know that because a lot of y'all that are on your 2nd bull run, y'all are in position. Now you got to do it right though. You got to play it right. If you don't play it right, you can be back at the start of where you were, you know, at the first bull run, you know, or this bull run. You got to do it right. That's why I've been telling everybody, I've been pushing the courses because they're going to educate you. They're going to give you the missing sauce that you don't have. So that way you could take full advantage of what's going to take place in this next bull run. If you grab all 3 of my courses, you're going to be so sharp and so fire that, you know, making money is just going to be, it's going to be a lot more simple for you. Alexander says, I love inflation. I get excited because everything is on sale. Facts. Kingdom says, what about Bone, bro? Tato chip. Bone. We can check out Bone. Let's check out Bone, bro. I want to check out Bone real quick, man. Let's see what we got. Let's see. We're going to check out Leash first. So Leash at 308, down about 1%. And remember, y'all, also, once Shiba Inu starts to pump, guess what receives sympathy off of that? The rest of the SHIB ecosystem. This is why y'all need to tap in and get this information so that way you can take full advantage. You'll be able to take your profits here. You'll be able to know when to take profits, how much profits to take. You'll know when to go over to the next project in the ecosystem and rinse, wash, and repeat and continue just to run up a big bag throughout this next bull run. I'm telling you, this is the way you do it. But you got to have the knowledge, you got to have the information, and you got to apply it. Andy D says, don't sleep, get AMC. Let's see. Let's check out SHIB too. We're going to check out the female NFT collection, or ERC 404 collection by the SHIB team. So it looks like their highest price was $880, lowest price was $268. Right now it is $406, down 7.6%. Volume 1.9 million in the last 24 hours. I really love what the team did, you know, joining this ERC 404 trend. I think that was super, super dope. A good way to give out value to the community. Man, hey, and let me just say, man, connect the dots. Connect the dots. Connect them up. Let's see what Volt doing real quick. Volt up 1% at that 4,800 points per coin level, 48.31. See, the last 7 days. Okay, so it's on the uptrend over the last week. Let's check out Bone. So Bone at 66 cents right now. You know, to be honest, y'all, I could tell y'all my price predictions all day. You know, but we just got to be patient. You know, y'all probably done heard me say this already. I think Bone is a $5 to $10 token minimum. You know, to be honest, I don't even understand how it's still only at 66 cents. You know, it either it's being suppressed, like, you know, someone who owns a large amount of it is, you know, just either continuing to sell, like, and not just one person, because Bone is too large of a project, but like, you know, community members just continue to sell and are not holding. But Bone should be well over, and I can't believe Bone is not even $2 right now. That's crazy. That is crazy. This is one, look, you should be looking at Bone like this. Imagine if I said, now remember, this is not financial advice. Don't hold me to this. Don't try to sue me or nothing like that crazy. But let's say Bone, right, 66 cents. We don't know when, but at a future point in time, we know that Bone token will be at $5, $10, possibly $20. If we know that, then how should we be moving? Imagine if you could trade in every 66 cents that you have for $5 in return. Every time you put up 66 cents, you get $5 back. 66 cents, another $5. 66 cents, another $5. That's how you should be looking at this. Yes, the transaction hasn't happened yet with you getting your $5, but if you think Bone has the potential to go to $5, then that's how you should be looking at it. And I honestly think it can go a lot higher. I'm just being conservative with it, but I you know, I think it's a lot of room to make money. To the Moon says, how many X can we see soon? Which project are you referring to? AV says Rev token is worth a look, 800 million market cap, motorsport based, and with the rise Formula One and other motorsports, it's got potential in an untapped space. Okay. Tonyo PWR, the fact that BTC ran up to 57,000 and the bull run didn't start yet is crazy. Absolutely crazy. I said it. We might even be hitting all-time high prices before the Bitcoin halving. That's going to be wild. Angry Gamer says, I'm curious to see what bad idea AI is going to do this bull run. That's another one I think is going to do good. I think anything in the SHIB ecosystem is going to do good. I like all these different plays in the SHIB ecosystem because I feel like we can just, you know, set ourselves up to profit from each one as they all begin to rally. Which one is going to rally first? Most likely Shiba Inu. Then which one is going to rally after that? Most likely Bone and Leash. And then what's going to rally after that? Most likely, Bad Idea AI and probably the SHIB female ERC 404 collection. You know, that's, am I missing something right there? Leash, Bone, SHIB. Treat and She isn't out yet. Okay, yeah. So, you know, after you take gains from one, you can, you know, be dollar cost average, or as you're getting ready to take gains from one, you could be dollar cost averaging into the next and continuing to roll that on over and making sure. Y'all know what I like to say. Who remembers my rule for, and this is not for everything. This is just when I'm in the mood to take profits on some things. But what was my rule of thumb that I used to say all the time? Y'all used to hear me say, I want to see who can answer this question. The first person answers this question. First person to answer this question. What am I gonna do? I'll give you, first person to answer this question, I'll give you the choice to pick of one of my courses. I'm gonna go with the first person that answered it correctly. I'll give you the pick of one of my courses. The only thing is you gotta give me a testimonial. Whether it's good, whether it's bad, whatever. You just gotta make a testimonial after you're done taking the course, you know, saying, was it fire? Was it trash? You know, whatever. Did it help you make money? You know, did it not? Whatever. But I'm pretty 100% certain that you're gonna make money. Everybody that I had take the course take the course so far and implement it has actually made money. Like button says, is this the year of dogs? Recall Doge and Shiba all the way. I think this is the year of the dragon, if I'm not mistaken. But it's still the year of the SHIB. Kingdom Talk says, bro, what do you think about Bond? I covered that. PD says, new people better learn how to eat or you will be eating. Facts. If you ain't got my courses, I got my $2,500 courses right now going for only $200 for the first 5 people with a 100% money back guarantee. You can't lose. You would lose more money putting in $200 into a random meme coin versus taking advantage of this discount, getting one of my courses, leveling up your knowledge, and then being better prepared the next time you jump into a project and just knowing how to maneuver a lot more smoothly. Danny B says, so bullish today, man. Facts. Like button says, bro, do you think we're going to have a final drop before the real momentum begins? Retail money make a difference. Now, this is the thing. I don't know. You know, I don't got a crystal ball here. I might have to get one off Amazon or something, get a little crystal ball, but I don't have one, so I can't call it for sure, bro. But one thing I do know, I always tell y'all this, they like to hit us with the okie doke. So if we do see a flash pullback, a mini flash crash, just to get people scared, to shake people off the boat real quick before it shoots right back up, I wouldn't be surprised, but I wouldn't let that shake me either. We made it all the way this way. You think we made it this far? You think any of my, you know, anybody that's truly locked in with me, you think we jumping off the ship right now? No, not happening. Danny B says, DD leading the way. We are ready to make great gains. Salute. Lindsay 46 says, in it to win it. Keep it, people, save and invest. Facts. PD says, salute to the lady high rollers, man. Shout out to that. That's a big shout out to the lady high rollers, man. Let us know if we got any lady high rollers in the stream. PD says, green wall again, man. Check that out. Member for 17 months. Shout out to PD holding it down over a year as a channel member, man. This is, man. Salute, PD. Hey, PD, you know what they say? You know what they say, PD? It's a treat when real ones meet. It's going to be a movie when we link up. PD said, let's do the green wall again. Okay, we can get the green wall going. I think that's actually a good idea to try to get that going right now, to possibly burn $5,000 worth of Vegas Inu token. We might do that on the live stream. Let's see. Start the green wall up. Get it going. Let everybody know in the Telegram to get the green wall going. I'm going to check on the chart in a second. We about to make it through these comments, and then we're going to check out the chart and check out some other stuff as well. Super Trump says, what happened to your Vegas Inu? What you mean what happened to it? What do you mean what happened to it? William Max says 100. Just dropping some love in here. PD says K9. Shout out to K9 Finance and Buzz over there and PD. You know, putting the play together like Madden. Danny B says, do you think PancakesSwap is a viable project? Now, I did like PancakesSwap, you know, what they were doing initially. Well, at first I wasn't really, you know, I was aware of it, but, you know, wasn't too excited. But then once I seen they got, you know, basically that acceptance from the team, that got me bullish on them. But I haven't been keeping up with them, to be honest. I got a small bag that I was willing to throw in there and, you know, just letting it do what it do. PD says, rake your buy-in out and cherry on top. Take your buy-in out and a cherry on top. See, look, man. PD, let me know what you. PD, you already got one of the courses. I think you already got the stock options trading course. Which one you want, PD? You want the technical analysis or the crypto one-on-one course? Which one you want next, PD? But that's what I used to always tell everybody. When you're trading, not investing. If you're long-term investing, it's different. You can use the same principle, but when you're more speculating on a short-term project, take out your principal investment plus a cherry on top. This is not financial advice. Sometimes, it might backfire on you. Sometimes it might run another, 10x after you did that. But guess what? You're not going to lose taking profits. Nobody ever went broke taking profits. But guess what? People have gone broke trying to wait for bigger profits. So that's one strategy I recommend to newcomers. Until you learn what you're doing, until you really understand technical analysis, secure your principal investment plus a cherry off the top. And if you want to, let the rest ride. Let the rest ride after that. Now, don't get me wrong. If you have put in what you're willing to, which one, you should always be only putting in what you're willing to risk losing. But I ain't gonna lie, sometimes we get a little frisky on those degen plays, which is still money that we're willing to risk losing. But just because we're willing to risk losing it don't mean we want to lose it. So when that happens, let's say you threw in, let's say 500, right? You threw in 500 on this brand new meme coin. It ended up 3xing, in a short period of time. Within, 2-3 days, it 3x'd. And this is, and I'm only talking about projects too. See, you got to understand there's certain caveats to it where this is more for projects that you don't trust, projects that don't really have docs developers, projects that you don't know if it's going to be around for however long. That's what a strategy you want to use for those types of projects when it's very, very volatile. If there's not a solid community around it, you don't think it's going to build up and continue strong, then that's what you should be thinking of doing. Now, even if it's, if it does mark all the boxes, that's still a good thing to keep in mind until you really understand what you're doing. Now, for those of y'all that have been around the block a few times, OGs, y'all don't have to use that strategy, but it's still a good one to know for beginners and just, for people that are wondering, how can I protect myself some? Now, if it's a project that, is you're bullish on it and you're going to continue to add to your position, then a 3x is nothing. You know what I'm saying? That's nothing to be trying to take profits on, but you can though, especially in bear market conditions. So you also want to take that into account. But y'all, it's about to get real. Get the courses so you know what you're doing. That way you come out on the other end of this bull market with as most money as possible. Humble says, take your principal and a little cherry off top of your profit. That's facts. Humble says, me and PD LOL before the question. Good work, man. PD says, Humble, I'm so proud, broski. Y'all about to make a killing, man. Humble says, man, I'm over here smiling, bro. We riding into our first one together. Lead the way, bro. Good work. Tony PWR says, answer, take out your initial investment plus a cherry on top. Remember, don't forget about your cherry on top, because think about it. Let's say you put $1,000 into X meme coin, XYZ meme coin. You just put 1,000 in. Let's say it did a 2X, right? And this is one that you don't know if it's going to disappear tomorrow. You don't know if it's going to rug. You don't know. The team ain't doxed anything. You just speculated on it, threw some money in. So you threw your 1,000 in. It did let's say it turned to 2,000. Take out your 1,000 plus a cherry off the top. That way, if it does go flat back to zero, you didn't just risk your money for nothing. You actually got a reward or your Okay, I think we back good. The wife easy was tripping for a second. Let me know if we good in the chat. PD says, me too, bro. Ramsey says, where my Shiba Inu is at? I ain't never heard nobody say Shiba Inu. Shout out to Ramsey. Pod Hub says, hold them, never fold them. Jada NYC says, I'm all ready for K9. ASAP Mason says, I got 2K in bone. Is that good, bro? Look. Good is relevant. People always like to ask, how much should I have? What's this amount? What should I do? It's relevant. It's relevant to you. Somebody in a third world country, could say $1,000 is a lot of money. Somebody in Las Vegas might say $1,000 is not a lot of money. So it's all up to you. 2K in bone, it's a good amount. Could you have more? Yes. You know, if you can afford to, you know, get more and you believe in the project, it depends on your confidence in the project. How confident are you in Bone? That's what you should be asking yourself. Are you, you know, 50% confident, 75% confident, 100% confident? Depending on that confidence interval that you sit at, that's how much you should be going in. That's how heavy you should be going in. Or just continuing to dollar cost average here and there, just throwing some, you know, some change at it, lunch money, continuing to build it up, continue coffee money, boom, 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 boom. And over time, you'll have an even bigger bag, even if you think that what you got right now is a good amount. Kingdom says, you've been a real one, 100, appreciate what you do. Push Bone out there is truly a hidden gem. The circulating supply is super low. And I heard the devs have been receiving payment in Bone. Look into it. Of course, the devs been getting payment in Bone. If I could get payment in Bone, I'll be taking payment in Bone too. Bone sitting at 66 cents or around there right now, when it should be $5 to $10 right now. That's easy money once it flips. PD says, it don't matter. Humble, do you got a course? Wandale Real says, LOL, I did that with VIT, but when it pulled back, I just put it back in. Salute, man. Good work. Good work. Good work. PD says, at Humble, did you get a course? Pa says, G. Anthony P says, we are in this together, SHIB Army. Danny B said, all good. Rod in the building says, we good. Okay. BCR said, good. Okay. Salute, man. Shout out to PD holding it down. Shout out to everybody in the stream. And I need y'all to check real quick. Make sure you hit the like button. Make sure you are subscribed to the channel. So we're going to go over Lucy's page and just, you know, talk about a few of the things going on with Shiba Inu right now, man. If it's anything y'all curious about with SHIB, anything you got a question on, just drop it in the chat. So we got the rebrand of the SHIB.io website with the Shiboshis on it. Shiboshi, the female one. And then Lucy says, support what you believe in. With a global population of 7.88 billion, there are over 295 million crypto users worldwide. It's time to stop attacking each other over differing support and investment choices. Choose the assets you believe in and support them. Personally, I invested in the SHIB ecosystem, SHIB, Bone, Leash, SHIB, Shiboshis, SHIB, the metaverse bag, K9, because I believe in the future success of these assets, not financial advice. See how they be, you know, representing, shilling, you know, projects from the ecosystem? This K9 Finance, y'all, is officially stamped by the SHIB team. We will be having an interview coming up with the founder of K9 Finance, Buzz, on the channel, y'all. So stay tuned for that. You need to be subscribed. If you're excited about the SHIB ecosystem, and you want to get inside information before, you know, it's all everywhere, subscribe, have those notifications on, so that way you get the alert when we do go live. But there are thousands of others. Yes, many will fade away, but not those with a strong foundation that can withstand anything thrown at them. The Shiba state exemplifies this, providing a haven for lovers and holders of Shiba Inu, yet it also fosters an environment where other assets can thrive. Interestingly, these assets can coexist and even support each other's growth. Ultimately, you should make decisions that align with your portfolio strategy. That's a good question. You know, a lot of y'all, how many people have a strategy? How many people in the chat right now have strategy? Or are you just, you know, free balling when it come to you know, your investment choices? You just raw dog in the blockchain. How many of y'all got a strategy? Humble said, yes, PD, I have a few of the courses, brother. Juan says, one. PD says, I want to bless someone, broski. Okay, for sure. How you want to do it, PD? PD said he want to bless one person with one of the courses. I don't even think we ever had that. I had somebody bless somebody with one of my books before. I had somebody bless actually a couple people. They bought a couple copies of my book to give it out to community members. But I don't think we've ever had somebody bless somebody with one of the courses. That's different. Humble says strategy and free balling. Okay, Humble got the strategy. Juan says buy low, sell high. Danny B says I need a blessing. Danny B, one of the channel members, PD. I don't know if you want to bless Danny B. Closed mouths don't get fed. Danny B the first one that said he need a blessing, man. I don't know. Danny B, you know if PD bless you, we gonna need the testimonial though. I'm expecting you to complete the course within the first week because it's very, easy to digest. I break things down in a simple way and get you right ready so you can get started. Andy D said, PD Pure, what's up? Danny B said, always. Let's see. Think about that, y'all. 7.88 billion people in the world. Only 295 million invested into crypto. I don't even know what percentage that is, but last time I checked, the world was only around, what was that? The world was only around 5% invested. Let me try to see. So 4.2. So this study here is saying 4.2 with over 420 million crypto users. So depending on which number is right, if this number loosely posted is right, it's closer to around 2.9 or something like that percent, 2 point something percent. If this number is right, it's around 4%. So think about that, y'all. Think of how early you are when not even 5% of the world is invested into cryptocurrencies at this point. And remember, this is not something that's like is going to be optional for too long. This is just like debit cards, credit cards, how eventually, they didn't exist and then eventually they came in to be widespread, accepted everywhere. Most people don't even carry cash anymore. That's the same thing. It's going to be just like that with crypto. Of course, people still may, use debit cards and whatnot, some cash, here and there, but you're going to see a lot more people have crypto. Juan says, Didi, I want your new crypto/NFT class. Okay, make sure you email me right now, ASAP. If you're interested, so the crypto, my crypto course creation, that was too many C's. So the course on learning how to create your own cryptocurrency is in the making right now. I'm structuring things right now, but you can, reach out to me to get on that list. I will be accepting pre-orders for that course at a super discounted rate before that course is released. And I ain't gonna lie, that course is gonna have so much fire in it. I can't say that it'll be cheap, y'all, but it will be worth it. But if you pre-order it, you might be able to get it for that one time at that discounted price. Andy D says 2%. Danny B says we are so far ahead of the game. Facts. You got to really put that into perspective. You are invested into cryptocurrency. 96% approximately of the rest of the world have yet to learn anything about what you already are invested in. Give yourself a round of applause, man. A pat on the back, something, man. You deserve it because we're really that early. I know it's hard to see. Sometimes, this is one thing too. When you're ahead of your time, it can kind of suck sometimes because you don't really get to see, where you're really at. There's a saying, hindsight is 20/20. Let's say in the next 2, 3, 5 years, all of us looking back, will look at this time in 2024 like, man, we were actually there. We were a part of that. Can't believe how much that was, how big of a piece that played in my success of where I am today. That's what a lot of y'all will be saying. That's how early y'all are. You just got to have the conviction and do your due diligence so that way you can have the confidence to go all the way. Joan Cantor said, is this a good time to get into Shiba Inu? I mean, it would have been better earlier, but this ain't the worst time to get into Shiba Inu either. I do believe Shiba Inu is going to go a lot higher. Shout out to Andy D. Now let's see. I want to find that article talking about Shiba Inu ETFs. That is going to be absolutely crazy. So SHIB is now on CoinMarketCap, and that's SHIB, the SHEB. SHIB is now on CoinMarketCap, showing SHIB is on total of 6 exchanges. Let's go Shiboshis, SHIB, ERC404, DN404. And then little chat. Okay, we talked about that one. So let's see now. Let's go check out. So pop up on Dex Tools real quick. Let's look at the top 10 trending coins. So right now, there's an Ethereum token popping off right now that this pool was created January 19th. Okay, so this might be wrap ETH, but it doesn't. I wonder why it only has 281K in liquidity. But we got Chain just jumped off November 30th, 2023. It is on a downtrend right now, but it looks like it did find some support, and it is, it's getting the volume is picking up right now. Ono Vault down 35% right now, 136K in liquidity, $231,000 market cap, 713K in volume over the last 24 hours. $354,000 in buys though, even though it's pulled back like this. It was dropped February 20th, 2024. This might be a nice pullback. I'm not sure what happened with this one, why it's pulling back so hard, but this will be one of the ones you would want to check out. This one is on the BNB chain. Matter of fact, let's check out the Twitter. Ono Vault is an innovative platform that blends top-tier security with high-yield staking, powered by Layer 2 technology. 3,500 followers. Okay, looks like they just applied for that CMC listing. So recapping Ono's expansion over the past week, we formed partnership with major companies, including a leading artificial intelligence giant, launched the USDT vault for users seeking to mitigate market fluctuations, introduced our multi-chain aggregator, released NFTs to the community, experienced growth in our community, successfully achieved our goal of 100K tokens and stake. Upcoming developments include the first artificial intelligence focused on solution generation and layer 2 scalability, a unique marketplace for our NFTs, introduction of NFT farming. Okay, so they working. We'll put this on a watch list. I do like that pullback right there. If you were looking at a project, 1,800 holders, and to get into one, you got to see if there's any scandals or see if there's any FUD going on at the moment. Join the Telegram and just tap in with the community and see what's going on. So let's see. ICE just jumped up to number 2. So this one is pulling back with 1.13 million in volume in the last 24 hours, $51 million market cap, 223K liquidity, not locked. 53,000 holders. Sheesh. A lot of times when we see these holders like this, y'all, like if you look at a project like VIT, let's see. So take a look at VIT. So VIT, we got 128K in liquidity. So when we see a project like this, so we got 128K in liquidity with a $594,000 market cap. When we see a project with only 224K in liquidity, so not even twice the amount of liquidity we have, but a $51 million market cap, that ain't too hot for me. But they are, doing numbers in volume though. So this might be a nice little quick one you can, snatch up on this dip, and who knows, it might, jump 15-20% after this. Let me know, anybody in the chat heard of this ICE one? Then Ultron, $814,000 in volume in the last 24 hours. Oh, this one been out since 2022. So why is this one trending right now? Okay, volume is picking up. So you notice this one, it's been out since 2022, but look how the volume has been essentially dead for, you know, months. And all of a sudden we got this, you know, surge in volume coming in. This might be a good sign to, you know, throw a little something at it, a little lunch money. Drop that on the list. See GQ. So Galactic Quadrant. This one did 119,000 in volume in the last 24 hours, 561K in locked liquidity, $11 million market cap. Okay. Let's see, 25,000 holders. Oh, that's what I meant to say too on the last one. A lot of times they basically boost up. They boost up those numbers. They just basically send 1-2 tokens to a ton of different wallets to make it appear as they have more holders. Now, I'm not saying that's the case with this one, but I want y'all to know that that is what a lot of projects do. Like easily with Vegas Inu token, we could have been over, you know, 1,000 holders if we decided to take that route, but we rather just let the organic people that really rock with us, you know, connect the dots with us until, you know, people realize what's going on, and then, you know, we get our numbers up like that. So Galactic Quadrant flat, but I don't know why this one is trending right now. But this is from 2022 also. Let's see, VIA. 589K in liquidity, $9.54 million market cap, 6,000 holders, 1 million in volume in the last 24 hours, and it just dropped about a week ago. So this one is looking nice. Far as chart wise, it had a nice retracement already. Let's go to the 4 hour. Actually 1 hour. So this is, you know, this is a cool area to grab some of this one if you did want to grab some. Take a look at the previous resistance points. We are close to those resistance points. Now, of course, it could pull back further, and, you know, you could have got an even better entry, but sometimes we just don't know. So, you know, play it safe. So right around that range is where that pullback, you know, where I would like to usually get in. And notice, even without paying attention, you know, look at the mid Bollinger Band. That's where the mid Bollinger Band is, our key level of support, but it also is in alignment with our other resistant areas in the chart. So I like to see that. So let's throw Octavia or VIA on the list. Actually, I want to see, I'll throw it on the list still, but I want to see their X page. Okay, 154,000 followers. Sheesh. Octavia is your Web3 based autonomous assistant powered by the VIA token. Talk to Octavia now. VIA is here. Okay, so this one looks like this one might be a play, y'all. I'm gonna follow Octavia. Might be seeing a video on that one later. I don't know, man. Up 19%. Let's see, Creo up 12%, $26 million market cap, 1.19 million in liquidity, 11,000 holders, 500,000 in volume in the last 24 hours. Just dropped this one dropped back in 2022. So this is a, you know, even though it's been around for a while, take a look at this. This is what I want to show y'all. You see how, look at this. You see how it was flat all during this range? All during this area was flat, 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 flat. But guess what? The people who bought during this time made bank. They made bank. Y'all got to get over that psychological barrier of being afraid of buying a project when it's low. If you are afraid to buy a project when it's low, or you're afraid to buy a project before you see other people buying it, you know, jumping into it, you're most likely not going to make a lot of money in crypto, because you're always going to put yourself at the end of the line. You're never going to have that confidence to really knock it out the park because you're too afraid to buy the dip. Take advantage of the low prices. Y'all understand, it's called value investing. Warren Buffett talks about this. Trying to buy some of those assets that you want to get for as cheap as possible. You should not be looking at an asset because the price is cheap as you don't want it because of that. You should be looking at the value of the asset, the community, the team, the utilities, you know, what they are working on. That's the value. The price is just the price. The price can change. Prices are volatile. But if you can jump on a price that's cheap before that price goes high, that's how you win, especially if you got your bag size right. So this one's Creo Engine. Good work to all these people. Imagine this guy right here Imagine dude that bought in like right here. I'm gonna just do a rough one. Just a little rough one. That's 7,398%. 7,398%. So what is that, like a 70x? So that means if you would have put like, if I'm not mistaken, you know, they say never do math live, but let's just say if you put $1,000 in, that would be $70,000 at all-time high, because you took the initiative, you took the courage to jump in and buy it at the bottom when nobody was buying. Well, not nobody, but when people were more afraid to buy. If you were that person that bought in, let's say right here, once you seen this happen, you seen it pull back, you said, nah, that was just a little, I don't know what that was. Seen it happen again, seen it kind of retrace and start to go sideways, pumped up again. You probably missed it there. You thought it was over with, said, nah, it's done. Then you seen it run up here. You wanted to probably, you thought about, you know, grabbing right here. You seen it start pulling back. You was like, yep, I knew it was over with. I'm glad I didn't buy none. Then you start to see it retest that area again. Now you're getting FOMO. It retrace. Now you see it break out. Now what you'll start to see is people jump in right here. Look at all these people jumping in right here buying. They'll jump in, buy it right in this range, and then look what happens immediately after. Dumps, shakes a lot of people off, and then goes and blasts off. But let's see what that percentage would be if you held on. If you bought in this range at the top of here, stayed through that pullback, you would only be up 54% approximately. Let me see, let me make sure. Yeah, that's say only 54%. So this is why it pays off to really get down, you know, to really take advantage when you see those prices cheap. Take a look, for instance, Vegas Inu token, $594,000 market cap, 128,000 in liquidity, 449 holders, 283 in volume in the last 24 hours. Yo, we almost are at 10,000 transactions total, man. Shout out to the entire high roller community. But take a look at this, y'all. We are at 6,000 points per coin. A lot of people might be afraid to buy at these levels, but guess what? You're accumulating. You're accumulating, because guess what? When we get to the higher levels, you're going to wish that you did take advantage at these levels. That's the right way to do it, y'all. And then when y'all find out what we got going on, that's going to be super exciting to try to get more buybacks and burns taking place. Yeah, I just dropped some alpha right there for y'all. I don't know if anybody connected the dots right there, but when that takes place, you're going to be wishing that you were grabbing at these levels. Not financial advice. I can't tell you to buy, sell, hold, burn, transfer, none of that, but I can put it down in front of you and hope that you pick it up. So right now we are at 606038. Once Vegas Inu token gets to this level here, we will be burning $5,000 worth of tokens, going straight to the dead wallet, y'all. Removed from circulation forever. So about here, look how close we are. Look how close we are right now to buying or to burning $5,000 worth of Vegas Inu tokens, y'all. And then at this level, we'll be burning another 5,000 to 10,000. Depends. But minimum, we will be burning 5,000 at this level here, 7,000 points per coin. And then at, and once we delete a zero, we'll be burning another $5,000 to $10,000 worth of Vegas Inu token, y'all. We got some exciting things coming. We got the NFT collection coming. A lot of value being added in this, y'all. You know, I'm taking a lot of things that, you know, I learned from going around the block. You know, you got to go around the block a few times before you know, pick up the sauce. But I'm taking some of the things that we learned with VIT and, you know, going to directly apply some of the successful things, you know, into what we roll out with the NFTs. We already got, you know, value and utility, you know, ready to go behind it. This is going to be big, man. It's going to be really big. And then it's something even more special right after the rollout of the NFTs that you're going to be able to, you know, take part in, man. So really good things coming up for VIT. We got our lending DApp on the way. Also, our first game for our community on the way as well. A lot of exciting things, man. It takes time, but we are still building, man. We building organically. You know, we're not rushing things. We're just trying to, you know, learn and do things, you know, as best as we can. Community side and development side. Let me know if y'all got any questions on VIT. Feel free to ask while we are here on VIT right now. Also, let's see if we can get the green wall going, man. Let's see. Right now we already got, let's see, how many more do we need? 1, 2, wait, let me see. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. We need 25 more buys to come in. If we get 25 buys, hold on, wait. Okay. So this is how we gonna do this one. We're going to try to form a green wall that pushes us up to 7,000 points per coin level so we can burn $5,000 of Vegas Inu token live on the stream. Let's get it going, man. Let's get it going. 5 bands, Vegas Inu token, incinerated forever. Let's get it going. Kawan says, help an old head like me. PD Pierce says, whoever buys the most VIT by the end of the stream. Okay, so PD will be giving away one of my courses to whoever buys the most VIT by the end of the stream. So announce your buys in the chat so that way PD can get in touch with you and then, you know, let me know. Or if I see who it is and, you know, I can, you know, see who it is on the stream and we already in touch, I'll be sending it over to you. Actually, Peter, you going to let me know who the winner is. That way, you know, I don't got to have to chase behind them. So let's get the green wall going, man. 25 buys could potentially, you know, get us to, well, who knows how many buys it'll take, but let's just get the green wall going. Let's try to see if we can hit that 7,000. Think about it. This will be the biggest burn we ever did in Vegas Inu token at once, y'all. Andy D says 2,500 people signed the Shiba ETF like 3 hours this morning. Let's go. I can't wait till those days come back where the Shiba Inu Reddit is going crazy. Do y'all remember we had like a 500,000 people damn near in the Reddit page, y'all? It was absolutely crazy. Once we get that group back buzzing, and that's why I really want y'all to be, you know, buckled up before the Reddit group gets active again, because once that Reddit group get active, things gonna start moving fast. Juan says, Didi, I'm cooking an idea that even someone who doesn't have internet access to be able to buy NFTs and bring NFTs into the real world. Okay, Juan, it sounds like you cooking. Francis says, go Pepe, go. Bitcoin, Ethereum. Love Vibe says, did you check out Saucer Swap on Hedera? No, I didn't yet. I didn't get the chance to. Send me the ticker right now. Let's pull that up. Send me the ticker, Erica. Let's pull that up right now. ASAP Mason says, I need that. Let's get those buys going. Whoever does the biggest buy by the end of the live stream, PD Pure will be giving you one of my courses. Stock Holiday says, what up, my guy? Salute, man. Appreciate you. So think about that, y'all. That is a suit. This is what I'm talking about when I say community driven. PD in the driver's seat right now, trying to get us to where we going. You know, he's putting an incentive out there for those who already want to get their bags together that have not got my course. You get basically almost 2 birds in 1 stone. You get to load your bag up and you also get the opportunity to potentially be the winner of one of my courses. That right there alone is a $2,500 value. So if you did a, you know, whatever buy right now and you end up winning that course, you just killed it. Danny B says Vegas Inu token. Juan says high rollers. Quintessential said peace and prosperity to the VIT family. LFG. Thanks, bro. To Marco. You welcome, Brody. Danny says so bullish on the Vegas Inu token project. So much great stuff happening. Best community in crypto. First bull run. Share on Facebook and X. Good work, bro. Glad to have you a part of the fam. ASAP Mason says I got in SHIB at 5089. Good work. JT says, good morning, DecemberDeMarco. High roller salute. Love Vibe says the ticker is sauce. Okay, we're going to check that out. Let's go to CoinMarketCap. But yeah, y'all take advantage of it. Let's get this buy wall going. Right now, the top buy is $51. I don't know who did that, but right now, the top buy is $51. And you could potentially, if you beat that, you could, by the end of the stream, if you're the top buy, you get access to one of my courses free, courtesy PD Pure, man. One of the purest in the space, man. Let's see. Okay, Saucer Swap, aka Sauce, up 2.9% in the last 24 hours. Market cap 123 million, volume 3.5 million. Okay, volume down 11%. Let's see, what's the all-time high? It's at 20 cent right now, all-time high. Okay, it's at all-time high right now. Okay, nice. Okay, it looks like 20, maybe 21 cent was all-time high, but it's right around that all-time high level right now. So that's pretty cool to see. Erica, what is this project about? What does it do? So Saucer Swap Labs. Let's give them a follow, because if Erica recommending it, we got to do our due diligence. So we contribute to Saucer Swap, an open source and non-custodial trading protocol on Hedera. Saucer Swap, StockGoatClass. So we're proud to partner with Ichi Foundation, enabling active liquidity management on Saucer Swap V2. Our team collaborated to integrate their vaults, leading to the upcoming auto pool feature. Together, we're excited to bring this major upgrade to Hedera. Okay. This is the final tweet in this thread. Anything below this that looks like us are likely spam/phishing links. Sheesh. That's how you know when a project is doing good, when you got people out there trying to imitate them, copy them, steal from them. Laurie Epoch 7 rewards sent. Note: to receive Laurie rewards, associate the sauce token with CLXY and or jam for specific pools. Missed rewards due to this will be included in the next airdrop. So look at the engagement on these posts. You can see the community is rocking with it. New listings alert. The Saucer Swap DAO has voted for Kona and Syntax to be promoted to the default list on Saucer Swap. Okay. I like that they're integrating other projects, getting other projects involved. Auto pools coming. Saucer Swap facilitated nearly 20 million in 24-hour volume, setting new Hedera DeFi records. Nice. This generated 50,000+ in fees for liquidity providers in one day. Nice. Saucer Swap climbs to number 18. In the past month, Saucer Swap's TVL has soared by over 70%, overtaking established protocols such as Banker and QuickSwap in ranking. We welcome everyone to experience firsthand why Hedera DeFi is on a path of accelerated adoption. Okay. Nice. Okay, so check this one out, y'all. Let's go over to the website real quick. See what we can see. So Saucer Swap, your gateway to real yields, concentrated liquidity, efficient markets, an open source and non-custodial crypto trading protocol on the Hedera network. TVL 140 million, trading volume 654 million, market cap 122 million, circulating supply 602 million, staked 53.5%, all-time trades 3.1 million, trending Kona, Sauce Inu, Dovu, H-Suite, and then wrapped Ethereum. Features: provide liquidity, swap tokens, earn token incentives, stake sauce, bridge tokens. Supported by the HBAR Foundation. Audited by Hacking. Audited by Omniscan or Omniskia. And then we got a few collaborators. We don't have a team section. Erica, do you know who the team is behind this? But we don't see a roadmap section. Doesn't mean, you know, because obviously they're doing well without the roadmap. But, you know, just pointing that out. I'm liking what I see, though, so far, you know, because without all the extra technical this and that, they're, you know, doing really well. It shows that the community likes what they're working on, shows that they're providing something valuable in the space. So I think this one is a cool one to check out, y'all. You can throw it on your watch list. Let me throw that one up there. Sauce. I'm not sure if this is the right one. Okay, I'm not sure which one is the right one, but I like what I'm seeing over there, though. We have to throw it on the CoinMarketCap watch list. So let's see, man, who wants to be the winner? We got to get those buys coming in. Think about it. You can potentially increase your bag, but also win one of my courses for free, which is going to help you make even more money during this next bull run. That's a win-win situation, man. Shout out to Petey for trying to help the people, man. All right, we got to drop the top real quick. ASAP Mason says, I need that. Shout out to Stock Holiday says, what up, my guy? Danny B says, Vegas Inu token. Juan says, hi rollers. Quintessential said, peace and prosperity. Did we read this? Oh, Danny B says, so bullish on the Vegas Inu token project. So much great stuff happening. Best community in crypto. First bull run. Share it on Facebook and X. Appreciate that. Make sure y'all share the stream out. Let everybody know we are live. ASAP got in at 8-9. JT says, good morning. Okay, we did catch up. JT says, a damn P. Quintessential says Sauce is part of HBAR ecosystem. Quintessential says DeMarco BNB smart chain tokens don't work on your swap for VIT. Yes, they should work. They should work. BNB, you should be able to take BNB and swap it out. You might have to adjust the slippage. Set the slippage to like 14%. Or either put like at the end of the amount you're trying to purchase, put .111. Shout out to Carlos Reyes pulling up. Juan says, how high do you think BAD will go? It's really hard to call for you know, projects, you know, that are a part of the SHIB ecosystem, because, you know, SHIB is the main leader, and then those projects are likely to receive sympathy when SHIB starts to move or when SHIB starts to retrace. But it's hard to say, you know, exactly, you know, where those projects can end up. Roland says, what's up, VIT family? 777 bullish. Tyler says, what is happening? High roller, salute. Tyler says, Jasmine, oh my, scalped $600 worth of trades today. Good work, man. Salute, bro. So let's see, man. We got to get the buy wall up. We got to get the buy wall up. I need everybody in the chat to let everybody know We are getting a green wall going with Vegas Inu token. Let's see if we can get this green wall jumping off and see if we could potentially burn $5,000 worth of Vegas Inu tokens live on the stream. Y'all spread the word. Go shake out those wallets of trash tokens that you know, not financial advice, do whatever you want to do. But yeah, man, wake them up, man. Let's get this 5,000 out the way. The sooner we get this goal accomplished, the faster we'll be pushing to our next goals. Juan says, what do Volt Smart Bot do? I think you're talking about the Telegram trading bot. It allows you to basically set limit orders. It does a lot, actually. You know, you can close out, empty out wallets with a few clicks. You know, set limit orders for buying, selling. It's really a really helpful tool for those that, you know, can't watch the markets 24/7. Let's get this buy wall going, man. What's up? Y'all trying to do the buy wall? Are y'all trying to burn $5,000 of Vegas Inu token? Let me know. Are we doing the green wall? What's up, man? We trying to get a green wall going. So here are the buys so far. Y'all see we got a 90 out of 99 on the deck score. Still an A. They know they could have pushed us up to a 99, but it's all good. So let me just drop this and say that we are looking at ways to do buybacks and burns with Vegas Inu token. So a buyback and burn is even more fire. The burns are fire, you know, it's all reducing the supply. But the buybacks also add liquidity at the same time while removing the circulating supply. So that's going to be fire. Juan says, did you hear my idea for VA zombie wallet? No, I didn't hear that, bro. Where was I supposed to hear that at? Did you send it to me? Let's see. Let's take a look at Bitcoin, man. Bitcoin going absolutely crazy. The market's still heating up. We had a $2.16 trillion market cap. Hey, I want y'all to pay attention too. We are at an 80 on the fear and greed index. So we could be, you know, likely soon, maybe around 82, 84, 86, starting to see a pullback. Because remember, we just broke out to this new level. So we might pull back down to 54,000, hold support right there. People get sad for a minute, acting like we ain't happy to be in this level. And then we take off again. Let's check out what's hot on Solana. So these are the top Solana projects. So let's see. Market cap 175 billion. 74 billion in volume. So we got, of course, Solana, Chainlink, Render, the Graph, Arweave, Helium, Python Network, Bonk, Terra Classic, Jupiter, Dog with Hat, GMT, Audius, Band Protocol, Marinade Staked, Coin98, Jito, MAGA, which is up 21% today. Dog with Hat 2 is up. This one been going crazy. Up 74% in the last week. Up 102% in the last month. We'll just pull back to 86%. But y'all get the vibe, man. Let's see. Radium. Orca, Marlin, Hive Mapper, Hashflow, Civic, Star Atlas DAO, High Street, Aleph. And, you know, some of these you might hear and you want to do your due diligence on. You know, if you heard it 2-3 times so far, 4 or 5 times, you might want to check it out. This is another one, Myro. Been going crazy. It did pull back recently. It's only up 2%. Let's see, in the last month, down 54%. But in the last year, which it just dropped like maybe a month or two ago, and it's already up almost 2,000%. This is one of those ones taking advantage of the Solana, not in a bad way, but just, you know, utilizing the Solana, you know, hype and ecosystem to help drive its growth. Let's see. Also, Myra is another one. Myra is so let's say you missed out on the Myro, you're not too excited about it, which right now it did pull back nicely. Let me see. Where is it at? So take a look at Myra. This is one I told y'all about before. It's up 46% right now. So take a look at this one. This one pulled back all the way basically to just about launch price. And now it's regaining momentum. Y'all got to remember, don't get afraid just because you see a project pull back to launch price. Because a lot of time what that is doing is regaining energy. You got to remember it has to, you know, cool off to be able to scoop people again at that low level and ride its way back up. As long as the community doesn't give up on the project and they're still developing, still the markets are, you know, in good condition, then you can still expect those projects to do well. It's just a matter of time. Not everyone will, but, you know, for the most part, solid projects will. So Myra up 48.6%, and this one is super, super discounted right now. So even if you threw some change at it, you know, and it returned back to, like, let's see. Even if you threw some change at this one, and it goes back to all-time high, that's 1,900% basically, 1,895%. Even if it goes about halfway, that's about 860%, 700+%. This is value investing. You want to take advantage of prices while they are low. Let's see, where's Myro? So here's Myro, 2 million in volume in the last 24 hours. This is another one. Look at this pullback. Like, yes, it did get all the way up here and it pulled all the way back, but guess what? It's now back in an uptrend. It's in an uptrend. So, you know, it might play around, dance around this range. This is why you want to take advantage of projects when you see them low. This is how they play out. Sometimes you might see a nice long, you know, pullback, but once it does finally find that support, which we can see it found support in this range and then started to make this uptrend, that once it starts to come, so it breaks out off this line. But once we see it starting to pull back and come back to this line, that's usually where we want to go in at. That's usually where we want to, you know, we want to see it tap this line and start to continue green. And that's usually a good time to grab it. But with it being pulled back this far from the all-time high, I wouldn't be mad at you if you just threw something at it right here either. Okay, Juan, I'm gonna have to check that out. I didn't get that. I ain't checked that message out. I've been having a ton of messages over the last few days with everything heating up. Kayom says Pepe long. I don't know about at this point, but I am bullish on Pepe. Pepe earned this place, y'all. Let's see. Pepe trying to go back to all-time high. Now, me personally, I would like to let this pull back because this is just going too crazy right now. If you want to go long on Pepe, not financial advice, you can do whatever you want to do, but I would more of be looking in these areas, somewhere in this range, or so I would be looking at go long on Pepe because it will pull back. Not financial advice. We don't know where, but it will eventually pull back. It may start to pull back here because you see it's starting to have some resistance. It's starting to have some trouble right here. Usually where we see resistance, it retraces after that. But look right here. It had a little resistance. It didn't even really retrace that much and blast it off again. So this can't go on forever. So, you know, we're speculating that it might cool off eventually and come, you know, probably test around that 2600, might pop up a little bit, might come cool down a little more around 23, because remember these resistance and support areas are like magnetic areas in the chart. The price wants to go to those areas. So it might, you know, it might retrace here and continue to go up, or it could pull down, then continue to go up from here, or it can hit this level and continue down to the next level and then go up from there. And then, you know, possibly keep going or even pull back further. So you never know. But, you know, this is how I like to look at it. You know, scoop it up on one of these areas. Here, 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 here. Somewhere in this area. Wait for that, you know, that pullback. And then those first few green candles, or that first, you know, green candle giving you confirmation, jump in with that candle. Because you don't want to jump in at one of these levels. Let's say you're waiting for this level right here. You're waiting to jump in. You jump in, and then it just keeps going. That's why you want to wait for a green candle either to close or you can be super risky and jump in while that green candle is forming. It just all depends on your confidence level and how well you understand the project. Juan says, sorry for the typos. I'm at work. It's all good, bro. Get it in. Tyler says, dang, my super chat isn't working. Okay, bro. I appreciate you trying anyway. I'm not sure why it's working, though. Jazz, maybe refresh it or something. Jasmine Ali says, hi, salute. Appreciate you pulling up on us. Juan says, just look for Shiba Shack. Juan says, the idea has to evolve bigger since the last message. Okay. So what we doing with this green wall, man? Y'all trying to get the green wall going? Do y'all want to burn five? Let me just ask that question. Do y'all want to burn $5,000 worth of VIT tonight? Do y'all want to do that? Let me pull up on VIT. Do y'all want to burn $5,000 worth of VIT tonight? When those, I ain't even gonna say too much, but when some things start happening, don't be one of those people that wish you would have got more. You getting all the heads up that you could possibly get. Quintessential says, yes, DeMarco, I just did 2 purchases. Good work. Shout out to Quintessential. JT said, bro, out of BNB. So this is why I recommend, checking out some of my other courses. So that way you can generate extra income and you don't only have to wait for your crypto gains. Jefferson came in and said the next trend is Suka token. He says, do your own research. The next Shiba. Suka and BitGet will be listed in Binance, OKX, Coinbase soon. Okay. I actually think I still got some Suka. Juan says my boss is looking. Don't get fired, bro, until you're ready to fire them. Okay, I think that's our update, man. I think that's our update. Roland says, get that BNB while price is still down. Hey, we trying to let them know, man. Tyler says, be right back. Okay, y'all trying to do it, man. We trying to get this $5,000 Vegas Inu token burn going. All we have to do is get to that 7,000 point per coin level. We got to work together as a community to get it done. This is something that helps everybody out because the tokens that all of us are holding becomes more valuable as we remove more and more tokens from circulation, y'all. This is something that everybody in the community should be wanting to work together to accomplish. A $5,000 token burn with VIT. This is our first 5,000 token burn. And then we got another one scheduled after that. That's why it's so important to get this first one done so we can get the next one done. And that will be a total of 10,000 to 15,000 tokens worth of tokens burned after these 2 burns, y'all. So call the cavalry, man. Let's see. I'm gonna drop in a Telegram. Okay, I just posted it in a Telegram, man. Let everybody know. Roland got a good point here. He says, don't forget to go on CoinMarketCap VIT community and hit the thumbs up. Matter of fact, let's go to that while we are here. So go over to CoinMarketCap, type in VIT. Type in VIT, hit see all results, and you'll see VIT, and then it'll say on BNB. Hold on, let me put it as a ticker. Okay, here we go, y'all. So come over here, type in VIT, you'll see /WBNB, wrapped BNB. Come over to this page and make sure you hit the thumbs up over here where it says want this token listed. Click thumbs up. We got 70 likes so far. We got to keep getting those likes up though. Let's see. Who we got pulled up on this, man? Shout out to Dapper, says, hey, yo, love your videos, mate. Love from India. Your thoughts on Rune once. I'm not familiar with that one, bro. Feel free, Dapper, to share some information about that project with us. So that way we got a little background information. And then when we decide to go check it out, we know what we're looking for. But I appreciate you rocking with the channel, bro. Shout out to the whole India. Roland says, raise CMC. Facts. Quintessential says, DeMarco, I think I won with my 2 purchases. Same wallet, brother. Okay, I got you, bro. We about to wrap it up soon here. We just hit that 2-hour mark. But yeah, bro, send me a DM. Where do you got me on DMs, bro? Where's the best place so you can DM me so I can make sure I get your email? Matter of fact, email me quintessential DecemberDeMarco@gmail.com. Make sure you do that so that way I could have your email already and I could send it to you. JT says CoinGecko also. Facts. Dude Tyler says, DD, I just sent a super chat. For some reason, it's not posting. Hey, shout out to Tyler, man. Salute, bro. Appreciate the super chat. Bro just sent the $20, says burn it, bro. Got you. So we will be doing a $20 burn. We'll get the $20 burn going. Y'all know we're going to do that one. So we got the $20 burn. Quintessential says, I had to type in Vegas Inu, not VIT. It's different. Where did you have to type in Vegas Inu? Is on the CMC? So maybe if you're having trouble searching it up on CoinMarketCap, type in Vegas Inu or Vegas Inu token. Shout out to Tyler, man. Appreciate you on the super chat, bro. Definitely will be burning this one. This is what it's all about. You know, the community coming together to try in all the different ways we can, you know, pull into one to push our goals. So let's see, man. We got 60.94. Let's see. We got we so close, y'all. We are so close. We are only, let's see. We are only, I'm trying to see what percentage away we are from burning. Let's see. We are wait. No, that's not accurate. I just started from the wrong one. Hold on. That's the wrong one. My bad. Let's zoom in real quick. Okay, we zoomed in. Let's see. So from here, where we are right now, to the burn, we are only 15% away, y'all, and we will be burning $5,000 of Vegas Inu token, y'all. $5,000. Do y'all know how bullish that is? And then after that, we got another burn schedule. Super, super bullish, y'all. But we gonna wrap this one up, man. Hey, email me ASAP. Like I said, we got a couple emails in, but the first 5 people that are payment ready will receive my $2,500 course, whichever one you want. I got the stock options trading course, the technical analysis course, and the crypto one-on-one course. Let me know in the subject line of the email which course you're interested in, and the first 5 people will be able to secure one of these courses for $200, y'all, with a 100% money back guarantee for the next 72 hours. You can't beat this. People aren't doing this. That's how I know the course is fire. That's why we threw the money back guarantee on there. Try it out. Level up your education and investing. Shout out to everybody for rocking with me. Let me see. Bro came through again. Bro came through with the $1. Appreciate that, bro. I'm not sure what that is that a super chat or what? I'm not sure. I never seen it come through like that. But shout out to bro, man. Appreciate that. Quintessential said, DeMarco, I got the email. Cool. Okay, cool. Shout out to everybody for rocking with me, man. Showing love. If y'all got any questions, any concerns, anything you want to share, anything you want to make the community aware of before we get up out of here, let us know. Quintessential, PD said, come to the Telegram for the reward, but also email me. Make sure you go to the Telegram, bro, and tap in with PD, but also email me so I can get that to you. PD says, winner come in the Telegram for reward. Tyler says, my damn phone is wigging out, man. Damn. Bro said it was supposed to be 20. Appreciate that, bro. Shout out to Tyler, man. Shout out to Quintessential. Appreciate everybody for rocking with us. Make sure you are subscribed to the channel. If you on the replay gang, salute to you. I appreciate y'all pulling up to this stream. Better late than never. But make sure you are subscribed and you got notifications on so you don't miss out on everything else. That's all we got for this one. All links to Vegas Inu token in the description section of this video. Take advantage while the prices are low. Shout out to bro coming through with it. Bro trying to keep us going, man. We got to give it at least another 2 minutes for Tyler coming through with the $20 super chat. That's 40 so far. We got 40 to burn from Tyler, man. Shout out to bro. That's 220s. Salute to everybody for rocking with us, man. Let's see. Can we get some more buys going? We got another buy. Let's go, man. Salute. Let's go. That's what I'm talking about, man. It takes a community. It takes a community to get the job done. If we want it done, we got to do it ourselves. We can't leave it up to other people. Shout out to everybody that's rocking with us, y'all. I got a fire plan coming up on what we plan on doing to, help assist with Vegas Inu token, man. Salute to all the real ones. Appreciate all the super chats, all the channel members, all the subscribers, all the people that hit that like button. Everybody that's just genuinely rocking with me, man. I appreciate y'all support. Wait, Crypto B Will says I won this. Wait, how you win, bro? How did you win? He said check those buys. Hold on, we gotta figure out who got the biggest buy now. Which buy is yours? What is y'all biggest buy? Quintessential, he might got a bigger buy than you. I don't know. What's the biggest buy? What's y'all biggest buy? Let's see. He said, check those buys. JT says, have a good day, everybody. Let me know what's your buys. Drop them ASAP. I wonder how long is I be wondering how long is the delay between when y'all hear me say something and the time I actually said it. That's why I be wanting y'all to respond immediately so I can kind of gauge that and see, because we are live, but there still could be, some delay. So I'm curious to see, how long that delay is. So I need y'all to respond as soon as y'all can. Okay, Quintessential said 50, 54, and 34. Tyler says rocket high rollers. Be well, what was yours? Juan says can. Oh, Be Well said 119 and 48. I do see the 119 and the 48. Quintessential, you wanna swipe? You gonna have to come in with a bigger buy than 119, Quintessential. Let me know. Okay. Quintessential said he won. It's cool, man. Appreciate the support anyway, Quintessential, man. Shout out to both of y'all for rocking with us. Crypto Be Well, send me that email, DecemberDeMarco@gmail.com, so I can get you one of my courses. But make sure you go into the Telegram and tap in with PD as well, because PD is sponsoring this course giveaway. This is on PD. Jefferson says the next trend is Suka. Okay, y'all, we're going to get ready to wrap this one up, man. PD says, send me the 119 address in the Telegram. So, Crypto Be Well, you got to send him your address in the Telegram. Facts Quintessential says, I got more VIT, though. Be Well says, cool. Okay, man. JT says, payday in 15 days, then big buys. Salute, man. Appreciate all the support, man. Shout out to everybody for rocking with us. And we are out.